Are you looking for the AI anime filter that is trending on TikTok? Do you want to add this effect to your videos but don't want to use CAPCUT? In this video, I will show you an easy way to get the AI anime filter without CAPCUT. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to apply the filter with simple steps and create fun videos instantly. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. After that, make sure you are using the latest version of the app. If it says update, then you need to update your TikTok app. If it says open like mine does, then you are using the latest version of the app and you have all the latest effects and features. Once you have updated your app to the latest version, open it up. And then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then search for AI manga. And the very first search result is the AI manga effect. So what you want to do now is tap on this icon over here. And it will open up the camera so that you can use the filter. So now you can either upload a photo from your gallery or take a live photo right now. I'm simply going to select a photo from the gallery. As you can see now, it has applied the AI anime filter to the photo I selected. So this is exactly how you can get the AI anime effect without CAPCUT or any other third-party apps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.